The Dunes of Maspalomas, located in Gran Canaria, are a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. These vast sand dunes create a unique and mesmerizing landscape that is truly one of a kind. From above, captured by drone, the dunes reveal their intricate patterns and undulating shapes. An aerial view allows you to fully understand the scale and grandeur of this natural phenomenon. It also provides an opportunity for photographers and videographers to capture stunning visuals that showcase the unique landscape. Stretching over an area of 404 hectares, the Dunes of Maspalomas form a vast sandy expanse that extends all the way to the coastline. The landscape is characterized by rolling sand dunes, which create a mesmerizing contrast against the deep blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The Dunes of Maspalomas have become a popular tourist destination due to their natural beauty and tranquility. Many visitors find solace in the peaceful atmosphere and find themselves captivated by the ever-changing patterns created by wind-blown sands.